Yeah, ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjíire o. Ẹ wò à ń pe ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lówè ó ń náró nù o. Ẹ wò ẹ má jà sùn mọ́ o. Gbogbo àwọn ará àdúgbò sùn akọ́kọ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ará àdúgbò Jábẹ́. Ṣé rí i pé gbogbo wọn anybody ti wà lójú fò. Ibi ni Jábẹ́ nígbàpá CDA Ìkòròdú Lagos State Nigeria. Gbogbo àwọn fọ́rínà tó jókòó yìí bandits ni wọ́n o. Àwọn kan Sudan, àwọn kan Kenya. Àwọn kan Sudan, àwọn kan Kenya wọ́n ní níbẹ̀ máa jẹ́ kó pẹ̀lú àwọn sọ́ọ̀ kẹfẹ́tìrì ayé gbọ́. Ẹjọ́ but eléyìí tá a wá ṣe yìí a sùnmọ́ o. Èní Sunday kí n dètè nínú ẹ̀ní kọ́ ni èní 7/6/2026 ọjọ́ keje oṣù kẹfà nínú ọdún 2026 ṣe ti rí wọn mélòó ni wọ́n tún fọ́ sí. Oh yeah, you are from which state? You are from which country?
Sudan.
Sudan. Okay. You are welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country?
Sudan.
Yeah?
Sudan.
Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Yeah? Sudan. Yeah. Sudan. You are welcome. Yes, excuse me. You are from which country?
Sudan.
Sudan also. You are welcome to Nigeria. Yes. You are from which country? Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You come. Chad Republic. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Welcome to Nigeria. Okay, you are welcome. So we will hand you over to government. Police have come already. Thank you.
This is Wednesday, the 24th day of June 2026. The Nigerian police force in Lagos State, they are very active. They respond to intelligence so fast and swift. If this is the way the other police officers from around the country is working, you know, it could have been an added advantage to the population of Nigerians who are facing this radical war with these extremists. Now, quickly, there are two videos that I want to analyze to you in this particular video. There are two clips. One happened yesterday, how the Nigerian police intercepted a military uniform that the terrorists want to use. Then the second one is an September 2022 video, how these terrorists use beans. They put AK-47 in the beans and transported it to Lagos. So it is important for people to understand what is actually going on. If they did that in the year 2022 to bring AK-47 to Lagos, I wonder what is going on today. So stay with me as we go into the video. Now, there are so many things that are going on in Lagos that will make me to say that these terrorists are desperate for Lagos. They are desperate for Lagos. Now, this video happened in Ikorodu. It happened that Lagos State Police, let me say Nigerian police in Lagos, they intercepted a bag of beans. Yeah, they intercepted some people carrying bags of beans because they got intelligence that these people are bringing weapons to attack Lagos. So they intercepted it. As you can see in this video, I will leave you to watch it. So many AK-47 and magazines were hidden inside beans. And I ask you, all those beans, including rice, onions, being transported to your state and communities, do you actually know what is inside? These people are desperate for Lagos. There is something they want to achieve because the grip is scary. The grip on Lagos is scary. Every now and then, infiltration here and there. You see sometimes, talking about all these things, we see that it makes some people to be scared. No. The purpose of bringing all these things is not to make you to be scared. No. It's for you to know what is going on. It's when you don't know what is going on, you'll be taken unaware. You just come out here, you don't know that this place, something is going on. They will kill you because you don't like to hear all this news. But if you understand what is going on, that the purpose why we do all these things, bring out these things, for you to know what is going on. This happened in Ikorodu. And the shocking thing is that the majority of people they arrested the people who brought these guns to Lagos to attack Lagos. Majority of them were from Chad. Okay, what is the business of someone, a Fulani man in Chad? What is the business of him coming down to Lagos to attack Lagos? if not because of one thing, to conquer Nigeria. It is a conquest. This is a conquest war. Do you understand? What is the business with a Fulani man in charge to carry AK-47 and bag of beans and heading to Lagos State? Watch the video.
Don't worry, the floor is clean.
Kuringa video. Ya wako wake ni. Soma kusaji jana ndicho. Ndizi ete kwa sababu watu. Kule mgeni tukoni. Mungelele dine. Ya, kuringi. Ya kauka. Paska. Kule mgeni. Kai oga. Kai, oga. Kai kufana. Aha. Sijui naona ba. See, I use the knife. See the magazine. Yeah. This is the magazine. Yes. What's in it? Now it's this is knife work. I see. This is excellent job. So, this is AK for several rifles. AK. This is AK for several rifles.
This is terrible. Now look at the people. I mean the people they arrested that brought this, ammunition to Lagos. And understand that these people have no business. They have no business in Lagos. Their business is insecurity. And if police did not intercept this kind of weapon, it will be very difficult for someone like me to come out to tell you that there are some Fulanis from Chad who are bringing guns through beans to Lagos. It will be like, what is this man saying again? Is this thing? It seems like a foolish something. I don't know whether you get it. Like, if I come out to tell you now that they are up to 10 AK-47 that they brought to Ikorodu through beans, like, it doesn't make sense. The first thing you will hear is that Nigerian police force will come out to debunk it. No, that is not true. There is nothing like that. People should not make people to panic. That will be the next reaction of Nigerian police. And that is totally wrong. The first thing you people should always do is that when such information comes out, try to ask the person, how did you know? Maybe the reason why they don't ask is because they know. Because these terrorists operate in a safe haven. They are not hiding to operate. You see all this information we bring out about insecurity in Nigeria, not because there is something special. It is because we are paying attention and just have some access to information. There's nothing special. These people are not hiding. Like, they have a very free authority. Like, this is our territory, free zone. Let us operate. So that is why tracking these terrorists, knowing their move is not a big deal. If I had told you that these people are bringing AK-47 with beans, Nigerian police will even tell you that such information can lead to your arrest. That is what we are seeing in Nigeria. A country where if you bring out an information that leaked, that this is what is about to happen, they'll look at you as a bad person instead of going after the people who are doing the thing. Like, these things are all scary and confusing. Now, look at the people who brought this weapon to Lagos.
Yeah, káàárọ̀ gbogbo ọmọ káàárọ̀ òjíire o. Ẹ wo, à ń pe ọ̀rọ̀ yìí lówè, ó ń náró nù o. Ẹ wo, ẹ má jà sùn mọ́ o. Gbogbo àwọn ará àdúgbò sùn, àkọ́kọ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn ará àdúgbò Jábẹ́. Ṣé rí pé gbogbo wọn anybody ti wà lójú fò. Ibi ni Jábẹ́ ní Gbọ́pá CDA Ìkòròdú Lagos State Nigeria. Gbogbo àwọn fọ́rínà tó jókòó yìí bandit ni wọ́n o. Àwọn Sudan, àwọn Kenya. Àwọn kan Sudan, àwọn kan Kenya, wọ́n ní ní ibẹ̀ máa jẹ́ kó fẹ́ lórí àwọn sọ kẹfẹ́tìrà yín gbọ́. Ẹjọ́ but eléyìí tá wá ṣe yìí a súnmọ́ o. Èní Sunday kí n dètè nínú ẹni kọ́ ni èní 7/6/2026 ọjọ́ keje oṣù kẹfà nínú ọdún 2026 ṣe ti rí wọn mélòó ni wọ́n tún fọ́ sí. Oh yeah, you are from which state? You are from which country?
Sudan.
Sudan. Okay. You are welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country?
Sudan.
Yeah?
Sudan.
Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Yeah? Sudan. Sudan. You are welcome. Yes, excuse me. You are from which country?
Sudan.
Sudan also. You are welcome to Nigeria. Yes. You are from which country? Sudan. Welcome to Nigeria. You come. Chad Republic. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Chad. Welcome to Nigeria. You are from which country? Welcome to Nigeria. Okay, you are welcome. So we will handle you over to government. Police have come already. Thank you.
Now, this is in another occasion, not in the same occasion. This happened yesterday. The Nigerian police force again in Lagos intercepted a truck carrying military uniform, but this one is a fake military uniform, a camouflage, because it was not destinated for Nigerian soldiers. The destination is not for military, it does not emanate from them. So some people printed this cloth, some people made this cloth. Why? They want to give it to fake soldiers. I told you that anytime you see military men standing on the road without badge, no name, know that they are terrorists. These are the ways to know terrorists. So these people will be wearing military uniform. They will use it to invade many places. Now, the information coming from the police is that these people were shipping this thing to the southeastern part of the country. Though I don't have that information. Maybe it might be true, but I don't know. They said they were shipping it to the southeastern part of the country. So these people are now trying to attack. Like, if they are moving, you will think that these are Nigerian soldiers, okay? These are Nigerian soldiers. Wow, they are moving. You feel that you are free, you are safe because they are around. Little did you know that these people are terrorists. So be careful how you deal with many people that can portray to be soldiers. Always look at their faces, look psychologically, view them. You will know that so many of them are not soldiers but terrorists on the road. Do you understand? Terrorists on the road. I remember last year reporting the news in Anambra State where some soldiers, and I doubt if they are real soldiers, where they carry someone, they went to the bush, they shoot the person and drop the corpse in the bush, and the other man inside there, they asked him to come down and run back. The man was trying to explain what happened, but nobody listened to him. This is what is going on in Lagos.
Se